Hi everyone, welcome to Everything About Health channel. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, the 10 most carcinogenic foods. Did you know that your diet can have a huge impact on your health, including your risk of developing cancer and other diseases? In this video, I'll show you which foods you should avoid as much as possible to reduce your chances of getting this terrible disease. But remember, this video is not intended to replace a medical consultation. If you have any questions or concerns, please see a healthcare professional. Now check out the 10 most carcinogenic foods. Number 1, ham, sausage, bacon, pepperoni, hot dogs. All of these delicious foods, but they can be very dangerous. The WHO classifies processed meats as Group 1, which means they are carcinogenic. They contain nitrites and nitrates, which are converted into nitrosamines in the stomach, substances that increase the risk of colorectal cancer. Number 2, red meats. Beef, pork, and lamb are also on the list of foods we should avoid. The WHO classifies them as Group 2A, which means they are probably carcinogenic. Excessive consumption of red meat is associated with colorectal, stomach, and pancreatic cancer. The third group of carcinogenic food are the ultra-processed foods: cookies, chips, instant noodles, frozen pizzas. There are many examples of ultra-processed foods that we consume daily. They are high in preservatives, colors, flavorings, and other chemical additives that can be carcinogenic. Now let's talk about the fourth carcinogenic food group, alcoholic beverages. Consuming alcoholic beverages, even in small amounts, increases the risk of developing several types of cancer, such as liver, breast, stomach, and mouth cancer. The more you drink, the higher the risk. The fifth carcinogenic food is refined sugar. Excessive consumption of refined sugar can lead to obesity, diabetes, and other health problems, including cancer. High blood sugar can damage DNA and increase the risk of cell mutations that can lead to cancer. Food group number 6, trans fats. Found in margarines, fried foods, and processed foods, trans fats are extremely harmful to health. They increase LDL, bad cholesterol, and decrease HDL, good cholesterol, which increases the risk of heart disease and cancer. Food group number 7, fatty foods, fried foods, fatty meats, yellow cheeses. All of these foods are high in saturated and trans fats, which can increase the risk of cancer. Food group number 8, smoked foods. Smoked meats, smoked fish, and other smoked foods contain nitrosamines, which are carcinogenic. The smoking process can also produce other harmful substances that can increase the risk of cancer. Food group number 9, salty snacks, potato chips, packaged snacks, pretzels. All of these foods are high in salt, which can increase the risk of stomach cancer. Excess salt can also cause other health problems, such as high blood pressure and heart disease. Number 10, sugary drinks, soft drinks, artificial juices, energy drinks. All of these drinks are high in sugar, which can increase the risk of several types of cancer, such as breast, pancreatic, and liver cancer. Remember, sugary drinks can also cause other health problems, such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. In this video, you learned about the 10 foods you should avoid as much as possible to reduce your risk of developing cancer. It is important to remember that a healthy diet is just one of the factors that can influence cancer development. Other important factors include genetics, lifestyle, and environment. Now let's get to the good part. Here are some tips for a healthier diet. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and greens. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Choose lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and beans. Limit your intake of saturated and trans fats. Reduce your sugar and salt intake. Drink plenty of water. If you have any questions or need help making a change in your diet, consult a healthcare professional. Subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Like and comment on the video to let me know what you thought. Thank you for watching.